Welcome to the Detailed Review channel. This is a review of this fan that I used all summer. I have used it enough to know whether or not I like it, and I decided to do a review of it. You may have seen this all over the internet over the summer, because when it was very hot, this became a hot selling item. And this particular brand is by Dive Blues. Without wasting much time, let's get right to it. As you can see, it is a compact 7-inch by 2-inch fan. It is a very sturdy feeling fan. The body of it is made up of a hard plastic. It's a thick hard plastic and it feels very durable. The spec says handheld turbo fan, model number N607, input 5 volts 2 amps, power 7 watts, battery capacity 3600 milliamps. Yeah, that's what the specs say. It comes with a charging port, as you can see there, and it comes with this USB charger. This is what it looks like. It's about 19 inches long when you stretch it out. So yes, it does not come with the wall part, but it comes with this USB charger. There's a single button on this fan, and that is in the front center by the neck of the fan, and the 2 gray dots on the sides are not buttons. I'm not sure what those are, just designs, I guess, because they're not buttons. And the single button on the front center is what is used to switch it on and to change to different settings and to switch it off. So it goes from on to setting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then off. This is what it sounds like when it goes through all of the settings. So as you can hear, it is not a completely quiet fan. However, it is not the noisiest either. You will hear some sound, and as you go higher up in speed, you will the sound will get slightly louder. I just want to say that I have slept with this fan on, and I was able to sleep well with the fan. The noise did not bother me. Also, the air from the fan is very, very strong. As you go up in speed, obviously it gets stronger, but when you feel it, it gets really strong. And the higher up in speed you go, the cooler the air gets. So it is like an air from an air conditioner. It is not just going to move hot air around. It is going to cool the air. I think that was in all of the advertisements, and that really is the case. When you use the fan, as you go higher up in speed, the cooler the air gets, and it gets really cold. It's really awesome. And I also want to show the sash that it comes with. It comes with this lanyard thing where you can use it to hang it on something. If you're doing some work and you're trying to dry the work that you're doing, you can use the lanyard to hang it on something and continue your work, or you can hang it around your neck. If you're out for a walk and you want to take your fan with you, you can take it. And if you're doing work and you for instance, you're trying to do a quick sweep of something from your workspace, you can use the fan as well. I use it for that as well. I use it to dry my nail polish when I don't use gel polish and I can't get it to cure under a lamp. I can sometimes use this fan to quickly dry my nail polish. And now that the weather is no longer hot, I use it to dry my toner on my face. When I apply toner, instead of standing in the bathroom fanning my face with my hands before applying my face moisturizer. So I use it for a lot of things. It is so handy and it is so small. And I'm going to see if there's fresh snow or something on my car. I'm going to see if I can use it to get the snow off before it turns into ice. I'm sure this will work pretty well, especially since it has some pretty high speeds. But yeah, as far as the review for this product, this is pretty much it. You can see all the settings. I did record how long you can use the fan for before you run out of battery, from a fully charged battery to having no more battery life left. And this is what I found. So I turned it on and I let it stay on at the highest setting, which is setting number 5, the entire time, and it lasted for 2 hours. The way that I calculated it is that I left it on and I saw how long it took for 1 bar to go out. In other words, for 25% of the battery life to be used, and it was 30 minutes. So if there are 4 bars and 1 bar takes 30 minutes to be used up, it means it will last for 2 hours at the highest setting non-stop. And yeah, I've used this before at the lowest setting and it lasted for over 5 hours because I fell asleep, and then when I woke up it was still going and I still had a lot of battery life left. But at that time I used it at the lowest setting, setting number 1, and it was after 5 hours and I still had battery life left. So it is very useful. Even the lowest setting has a lot of air that comes out, so it's not as if it cannot be used at the lowest setting. But if you want it to be super, super cold, you can use it at the highest setting because that's the coldest. That's it for this turbofan review. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.